तुम्हारे साथ रावण को इसीलिए जलाते हो क्योंकि तुम जानते हो कभी नहीं मरता।
Rohit Bal, I met him when I just passed out of school.
Okay.
I was 16 years old, and he saw me at RG's in a nightclub, and he said, "Are you a model?" And I said, "No." He says, "Do you want to be a model?" I said, "No." कि मेरे में एक बुराई है, गलती है, और एक एडिक्शन है जो है सिगरेट्स।
लोग अपना काम नहीं कर पाते ठीक से, तो मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आता है।
I do come from a bit of an army background. Dadaji and Nanaji both were brigadiers in the army.
He designed the first artillery after the independence. Artillery gun after the independence. Is it true?
I think I failed as a producer.
Okay.
जब पहली फिल्म रिलीज हुई थी तब बहुत घबराहट हुई थी।
I remember कुछ confusion थी। I think मोक्ष आपकी पहली फिल्म थी जो आपने शूट की थी, लेकिन प्यार इश्क मोहब्बत
प्यार इश्क
पहले रिलीज
मोहब्बत
हुई।
रिलीज्ड फर्स्ट, पर लेकिन आई वाज वेरी स्कैर्ड क्योंकि उस वक्त सब वो पूरी इंडस्ट्री कहती थी कि मॉडल्स कांट एक्ट एंड यू नो ये सब दे आर अनलकी।
वो अनलकी भी था।
या एवरीथिंग एंड I was doing this commercial with Shekhar and Ashok Mehta, and Ashok was shooting. He was the cameraman for the thing, and he's got this incredible script, which he said, "I think you really fit the bill for my character," and that's how it all started. It was just very coincidental.
When I came back, he was still didn't require too much movement or whatever, and then we went in slowly warming up more, getting more into the character. Then I got more in zone with what he really wanted, you know. We saw the rushes, and when we saw the rushes, then we knew, you know, that okay, fine, this is what it's all about.
So how was your first day on the set?
It was absolutely insane. We were shooting with Manisha is the co-star,
Okay.
and Manisha, who comes across as a very quiet, you know, down-to-earth person. I hadn't hung out with her that much, you know. So I was like, okay, you know, she's like very chill out, and I mean, I most probably be able to relate with her, you know, in front of the camera. And Ashok ji, he came up to us and he said, okay, beta, tomorrow is dialogues. And there I was sitting there memorizing, making everybody like take my rehearsals with my dialogues and everything just to make
Did
sure.
you take any rehearsals?
Yeah, driving him around all over town. And
You were
things
doing
like that.
which part did you do? Manisha's part.
Yeah.
There was Ashok ji with his camera, fingers crossed, it was action, and suddenly from out of the blue, as soon as Manisha somehow, who's this complete docile girl, before she enters frame, hears this word action and something happens to her, okay, and she comes in completely bubbly, okay, and chirpy, and so she takes off on all her dialogues, and I was just like sitting there and I was like, excuse me.
I'm playing a lawyer in Moksh, and in that film, it's a very intense film, it's a very emotional film. लेकिन वैसे इतनी अलग भी नहीं है कि बहुत सारे लोग कहते हैं कि एक आर्ट फिल्म है, वो बिल्कुल गलत है, उनकी गलत फहमी है, क्योंकि इन पिक्चर में एक्शन है, गाने हैं, कॉमेडी है, बहुत सारी एंटरटेनमेंट है। तो वैसे तो इतनी अलग टाइप की फिल्म है नहीं, सिर्फ कि हाँ, दोनों डायरेक्टर जो है उनकी पहली फिल्म है और मेरी भी पहली फिल्म है।
But did you always want to be an actor?
Yeah, I guess so.
You always wanted.
4 years old. I think that's what he says. Yeah.
Really?
Oh, I mean, just check this out. I mean, this is ridiculous.
हॉस्टल में जब मैं था तो इनका जो पोस्टर था वो मेरे कमरे में भी था, और मैं उस पोस्टर को देखता था और मैं सोचता था कि यार बीवी होगी तो ऐसी होनी चाहिए यार। और जब मैंने मॉडलिंग की करियर मैंने अपनी शुरू की थी, द फर्स्ट टाइम आई वॉकड ऑन द रैम्प वाज विद मेहर, और मैं इतना घबराया हुआ था जैसे कि मेहर आज घबराई हुई है और मेरा हाथ पकड़ रही है कि चलते वक्त मैं सोचा मैं गिरने वाला हूँ या बेहोश होने वाला हूँ, तो मैंने उनका हाथ पकड़ लिया और मैंने सोचा कि आई एम मेकिंग अ पास एट ओके, कि मैं लाइन मार रहा हूँ उनपे। हाँ, तो बहुत डांट पड़ी when we got off from the ramp and she said don't do that and what were you doing? So I said listen, I was going to faint. She was like yeah right. So she still didn't believe it, but now I think you know what it feels like to be nervous. So
Dabbu called me and he said that, you know, I'm Dabbu Ratnani, and I'd heard of him, and so I thought he's also an old guy. So I was talking to him with a lot of respect and saying, "Acha Dabbu ji, I'll definitely be there," and all of that. And I landed up in Jaisalmer, and this young chubby fellow
walked out, okay, with a monkey cap on his head. What the hell are you saying? You're Dabbu. Why have I been talking to you like this? I've given you too much respect, now no more.
From a young man with dreams, आपके सपने थे जो आप उस समय वो हॉस्टल में बैठ के सपने देख रहे थे कि आपने कभी सोचा था कि एक दिन मैं एक ऐसा एक्टर बनूंगा, मैं नेशनल अवार्ड हासिल करके छोड़ूंगा?
मुझे तो पता भी नहीं था मैं एक्टर बनूंगा और इधर काम करूंगा और ऐसे शोज पे आऊंगा, ऐसे तो मैंने सपने भी नहीं देखे थे, टू बी क्वाइट ऑनेस्ट विथ यू रवीना। लेकिन या जब नेशनल अवार्ड मुझे मिला, मैं कॉफ़ी पी रहा था अपनी बीवी के साथ और एक दोस्त है हमारा मुश्ताक, और मेरे फ़ोन पे एक SMS आया और उन्होंने कहा, किसी ने कहा था कंग्रेचुलेशन सर ऑन द नेशनल अवार्ड। तो ऐसे कोई खिंचाई कर रहा है अभी तो मैंने बोला या वेरी फनी यार, थैंक्स। तो लाइक पागल हो गया, गो पुट ऑन द टीवी। मैंने तभी भी मुझे यकीन नहीं हुआ, तो मैंने मुशी और मेरे को कुछ नहीं कहा, मैं फिर भी ऊपर चले गया क्वाइटली, मैंने टीवी ऑन किया और वहाँ पर नीचे स्क्रॉल पे मैंने देखा कि अर्जुन रामपाल विन्स नेशनल अवार्ड
Much deserved. And you're a true winner. I can definitely say that, Arjun. Congratulations to you on that.
When I saw it in totality, I thought Abhishek Kapoor has done a fantastic job.
What happened when you first saw the film? Did you know the kind of impact it would have even then, like in the first screening?
When I saw it, yes, I knew it. I mean, yeah, I just knew it. I said this film can't go wrong. I said this film is really beautiful. It's flawless.
शुरू करें?
I truly believe every time I try to prove it for other people is the times when I've not been successful, because I was doing it for others, okay? But now I work to prove it to myself. I work because I love my job and because this is what I want to do.
About the process of Rock On, the preparation that went into.
I mean, I would have anyways, even if he hadn't asked me, learned to play the guitar.
What is your musical background? Did you know any instruments before this?
No, I didn't know how to play any instruments, and I wanted to play the guitar, but the closest I got to it was my tennis racket, which I used to air guitar. There was Chandresh from Dream Out Loud, who was appointed to me, who became a good friend, was extremely patient.
How many hours did you practice every day?
It started with 20 minutes the first day,
And then your
we
fingers
had
get
coffee
cut.
for the first 15 minutes, and 5 minutes I held that guitar, and then I looked at him, and then my fingers started hurting, and I said, I'll break this thing on your head. But he was going, you know, and he was doing all that. He just gave me a lot of finger exercises first to loosen up my fingers. And then he slowly got into teaching me the songs that I liked.
And what is the
You
kind
know.
of songs you like?
Like I like Doors, you know, I like Pink Floyd, which is very difficult to play, and the Eagles, Hotel California. That was one thing I wanted to really learn. And
Can you play it well now?
not very well, but I can still play.
Will you play it for us?
No,
Input and how much of it was Gattu's?
a lot of it was Gattu's, really, to be quite honest.
hair and the-
Yes, yes. I mean, hair, he did want me to cut my hair. I said, I don't think Joe's going to cut his hair, you know, because... And he said, no, that's a really nice thing, immediately. He said, yeah, he's the only guy in a time warp, you know, so I said, yeah. And so he said, but then it should be longer.
जिसमें मेरा किरदार बहुत ही अलग किस्म का किरदार, इसमें मैं एक बहुत ही नेगेटिव कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहा हूँ, उसका नाम है मुकेश मेहरा।
So how well do you think that you took your role of the bad guy this time?
Yeah, it's going to be interesting. Watch it. This film's fun.
Everyone says that you're going to look super sexy as the bad guy. What do you think?
Well, you tell me after the film.
Oh, I will do. So what do you think about your co-stars? What about Deepika? First time working?
Fantastic. She's lovely. She's the revelation. She's going to be one of the biggest stars the country's seen.
Okay, with Arjun Rampal playing those difficult scenes, the violence, how did you cope with that?
I couldn't quite digest the fact that Arjun was doing this to me, because I think he is, in my eyes, the most good-looking man I've ever seen.
Oh, definitely.
And I've had this huge crush on him. So more than anything, while we were shooting, I just keep looking at him.
I think the 70s were definitely unique, you know, and they were complete originals. I think what was wonderful about all those characters are each one had their own style of speaking, of behaving, and all of that. So a lot of people ask me, did you research them and are you taking from any of those characters? That's why I said the best way to take from them and learn from them is to keep your own style and make your own style. And that's what I think would be my contribution to Om Shanti Om as the bad guy, and the way it has been conceived is to bring my own style into a negative character.
I thought this moment would never come when I'm going to be standing here in London, my favorite city, a city which has given me so much love, so much affection. and I get an award. And I can't ask for more.
When I started shooting for Ravan, we were very clear that we wanted to hide the look. It's been like a year since the look came, by the time it came out, and there was a lot of anticipation about what this look is. When Shah Rukh met me for the first time to sign me for Ravan, or explain to me that, basically tell me that I have to be Ravan, he said, Arjun, you know, I'm making a film, and it's a superhero film, and I want you to play the bad guy in it, and he's a super villain, and actually the film is titled after him, and his name is Ravan.
Coming to your suit, actually, which you had to wear for 16 hours a day, heavy duty, big sort of pain in the, you know. How do you go to the loo?
Both Shah Rukh and I would die, okay, because we'd be like, okay, fine. So first, before you got into the suit, which takes you 45 minutes to get into, okay, you're standing there and you're saying, okay, it's all done. Are you ready to put that suit on? Okay, no more movements, everything's
No more water.
Okay, then you put the suit on. Every time you're sipping water, you're like saying you can't eat because, you know, it's so tight and you don't feel like eating, you lose your appetite. And my suit was like about this thick. And we both had to be super fit to be wearing those suits, which was a thing that had been given to us because you can't lift your hand otherwise. So if you have to throw a punch, it has to come boom like that. Okay, you have. It's like taking a 15-pound dumbbell and doing it. Okay, but you still have to have that.
It has to look seamless.
Yeah, it has to look like it comes out like that. Okay, and so your joints would hurt, you know, and your muscles would get more pumped up inside. I kid you not, I used to take my suit out after the day of shooting, and they turn the suit upside down, and they'd be like, shh.
Some of
Like
it
a
was also
puddle.
urine, right?
No, it wasn't.
Yeah,
Okay, it was like gross. Okay, it was like a puddle of water. And when it came to peeing, this would be our expression. Sorry, yaar.
That's like 45 minutes
like
of
have to
taking
go.
off.
So and the director and the cinematographer and everybody would be like, oh man.
And you'd only say that if you really
yeah,
had to
and
go,
you're like,
no?
the superheroes like, please, I got to go. I got to go.
This has got to be in your making of. This just has to be.
जो भी फिल्में मैंने लास्ट ईयर जो भी फिल्में मैंने चूज किए थे, ओम शांति ओम से लेके रॉक ऑन या लास्ट ईयर, देव बीन वेरी डिफरेंट चॉइसेस. और मैं देखना चाहता था कि ऑडियंस इन किरदारों को किस तरीके से और कैसे एक्सेप्ट करेगी, बिकॉज इट वॉज अ चांस दैट आई वाज टेकिंग. एंड आई एम रियली ग्लैड दैट यू नो द ऑडियंसेस हैव रियली showed us that you do and give us new things and different things, and they'll embrace it and give you love. And it's, I think, really wonderful for us in the industry to, as a barometer, to use these films to say, wow, we can now make different kinds of movies. You don't have to leave your brains at home and come.
मेजर इकबाल के लिए अर्जुन रामपाल कैसे दिमाग में आया?
See, जो हमने एक पिक्चर का रेफरेंस दिमाग में था, हमारे दिमाग में था कि एक ना, अर्जुन रामपाल very handsome and a good looking guy. तो we wanted to get this guy to look like a damn good look guy. तो कुछ भी लोग दोस्त में भी अब सेकंड पार्ट में देखेंगे ना तो you will go mad about magic is something else नहीं. उसके पीछे रीज़न था कि we wanted a tall handsome guy जिसके सामने अब जो इसी से रिवाइंड रखे थे वो उसके बीच में बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क दिखता है. लेकिन वो तो अक्षय बाजी का और ऐसा है, परफॉर्मेंस ऐसे की वो सब और से सबको ऐसा सब कन्विंस हो जाते हैं. तो वो और सोच के दिया था कि इफ़ यू सी अर्जुन रामपाल का वॉइस रियली वर्क फॉर द पार्ट.
वो उनकी वॉइस में इतना बेस है सर, वो हमेशा ही जब भी विलन का रोल रावण में भी किया, ओम शांति में भी किया, वो हमेशा ही अच्छा लगता है उन पे.
मेजर इकबाल के रोल में अर्जुन रामपाल स्टैंड्स हिज ओन. बहुत ही बढ़िया परफॉर्मेंस और एक सिनिस्टर कैरेक्टर है कि आपको लगता है कि ही वाज बोर्न टू प्ले दिस.